In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles and invite users in Zoho Books. This process is essential for managing who has access to your financial data and ensuring that each user has the appropriate level of access required for their role. Let's begin by signing into your Zoho Books account. First, head over to the Zoho Books website and look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Once you click on Sign In, you'll see various options to log in. For convenience, let's choose to sign in with Google. This option might make it quicker by using your existing Google account credentials. Simply select Google and then choose the account you want to use for Zoho Books. Keep in mind, depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments to load, so patience is key. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate over to the dashboard. Here, we're going to look for the Settings option. You'll commonly find this option in the main menu or sidebar depending on how your dashboard is set up. Clicking on Settings will open up a range of customization options for your Zoho Books account. Next, scroll down until you see the Users and Roles section. This is where we'll be making the necessary adjustments for user roles and inviting new users. Click on Users within this section, which will direct you to a new page showing the current list of users and their assigned roles. Now focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Invite User button. Click this to begin adding a new user. A form will appear prompting you to enter details for the new user. Start by entering the name of the individual you want to invite. It's vital to ensure that this information is correct to avoid confusion later on. Following the name, you'll need to enter the user's email address. This should be the email they'll use to log into Zoho Books. It's crucial to double check this for accuracy, as the invitation and any future communications will be sent to this address. Finally, it's time to assign a role to the new user. Zoho Books allows you to select from a variety of predefined roles, each with a different level of access and permissions. Choose a role that matches the responsibilities of the new user within your organization. With all the necessary information filled out, the last step is to click Send to dispatch the invitation. The user will then receive an email inviting them to join your Zoho Books account with the specified role. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to manage user roles and invitations in Zoho Books, allowing your team to collaborate effectively while keeping your financial data secured. Keep these steps in mind and managing users on Zoho Books will be a breeze.